Hi everyone, now we're going to look at the first question of IITM-Math for MATHS-1 GA1. So these are the different equations, so equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So equation 1, 2 and 3, so equation 1 we are going to modify by multiplying the whole equation by 2024. So if you multiply the first equation by 2024, what it will become? So it will become x plus y minus z is equal to 2025 into 2024. Okay, and similarly if you multiply the second equation by 2024, we'll be getting minus x plus y plus z is equal to 2024 the whole square. Okay, next multiplying the whole equation by 2024 again, so you'll be getting it as x minus y minus z is equal to 2023 into 2024. All right, okay, fine. Now, so this equation now we are going to represent in the form of the matrix Ax is equal to b. So here if you take it, the coefficients of x, y and z, so 1, 1 and minus 1. So these are the coefficients, and minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1. So in the place of x, the variables x, y, z will be writing it as equal to b. So right hand side of the equation. So right hand side of the equation, what it will be coming? So it will be coming 2025 into 2024. Next 2024 the whole square. Next 2023 into 2024. Okay. So these equations we form now as a matrix representation Ax is equal to b. Now what is the next step? Now we are going to combine the matrix. So the combined matrix, it is known as the augmented matrix. So augmented matrix, it is usually written as augmented matrix, it is usually written as A comma B. So augmented matrix A comma B is equal to, so you club both this and this. So 1, 1 minus 1, 2025 into 2024. Then minus 1, 1, 1, 2024 the whole square. Next 1 minus 1 minus 1, 2023 into 2024. Okay, fine. Now this one we are going to reduce to the echelon form. So echelon form is nothing but, so here the first row is there. So in the first row, in the first element should be 1. So below the first element it should be 0 on both the sides. Alright, and similarly the second row is there, no? So below the second row, the second element below it, it should be 0. So if you are reducing to the echelon form, then further according to the matrix condition we can deduce whether it is a no solution or it is a unique solution or infinitely many solution. So the several classification ways we can do. Alright, now the next step what we are going to practice is, see here, so here, so write the first row as it is. Now the second row, so you can do anything. So the second row, what you can do, second row, so because this element should become 0 and this also becomes 0, so R2 I'm going to write it as R2 is equal to R2 plus R1. So minus 1 plus 1 it becomes 0. So 1 plus 1 2, and minus 1 plus 1 it is again 0. Then 2024 the whole square plus 2025 into 2024. Alright, fine. So next the R3 also we can write it as R3 is R3 plus R2. So R3 plus R2, so this one R3 and R2 you add both, you'll be getting it as 1 minus 1 0 again, and again here fully 0, then 2023 into 2024 plus 2024 the whole square. Okay, fine. So this equation, if you look at it, you can still reduce the second row by 2. So if you are dividing by 2, as I already said, the second row, second element should be 1. So you can divide the whole equation, the whole element divide by 2, and below this it should be 0. It is already 0, so only one thing you should do. So you can divide the whole thing by 2. So if you are dividing by 2, what will be getting? So 1 1 minus 1, 2025 into 2024, and if you are dividing R2 by 2, so 0 divided by 2 0, 2 divided by 2 1, 0 divided by 2 again 0, and here you can directly write it as 2024 the whole square plus 2025 into 2024 divided by 2. Next 0 0 0, 2023 into 2024 plus 2024 the whole square. Alright, now, so next step, if you further going on, so you should know this matrix condition. So this matrix condition, if you see, so P of A comma B is equal to P of A, so which is equal to 3 means it is consistent and unique. Solution is there. Next, P of A comma B is equal to P of A is equal to 2. It is consistent and no solution. Sorry, infinitely many solution. It's not no solution, it is infinitely many solution. And P of A comma B is not equal to P of A, then it is inconsistent, no solution. Okay, fine. Now, if you see here, in this, here the third, this equation if you are seeing, so this equation is there, no, this matrix fluid is there, no. So this first row, second row and third row, here first two rows are non-zero row and third is a 0 row. So if you are going to look at only the P of A section, and the right side if you are including, it is become P of A comma B. So P of A is there. So P of A is what? From this, so to be precise, so this is P of A. This whole part is P of A, that is which is left side of the equation what we solved. Then P of A comma B is combined both this combined. So to be precise, both this combined. This is P of A comma B. So P of A is how much non-zero rows are there? So first row and second row, so totally there are 2 rows. And P of A comma B, how many non-zero rows are there? 1 2 3, so 3. So here if you see, going the conclusion, so if P of A is 2 and P of A comma B is 3, since P of A is not equal to P of A comma B, you can write it is inconsistent and has no solution. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, kindly press the like button, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.